Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This may be a multi-part video. We are back up north. We're just here in Snug Harbor with the wonderful Snug Harbor reference point lighthouse, whatever. And we're gonna do a multi-day trip as far north as we can get, do some camping and just get away from the city for a while. So this may be a single video, this may be a multi-video. I have no idea because I'm just filming it now. But I'm here with my good buddy from Catch Me Outdoors. Oh, he waved! Thank God we got that in. All right, we don't have to do that joke anymore. Anyways, we're gonna head out. We're, like I said, we're gonna go north to a place that I've never been to. This is going to be the furthest north on the east side of Georgian Bay I will have ever taken to see you. So come along with me. Let's have a great time. Let's just see what's out there. Let's have an adventure. So let's go. All right. Can't get my buff on. Where's my buff? Oh, we're going in circles. Going in circles. All right. This is okay, guys. Buffed up. Ready to roll. Let's go. Because this is a longer trip, I'm rolling completely in eco mode for this whole trip, just to save as much gas as we can. Let's go. Hey guys, well, we're in a back channel here and got something. Oh, I got something. Got one. Oh, I got one. What is it? What is it? Oh, come here. Oh, come on. Oh, it's just a baby pike. Okay. Come on, buddy. Oh, first fish of the trip. Oh. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Just a little guy. Let's get it back in the water. Oh, he got me wet. First pike of the trip. Not bad. Alright guys, we're going to head on now and keep on heading north and see what we can come across. So let's keep going. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, looking forward to seeing what else we can find. Point to barrel is a legitimate barrel. Huh. So that's what they used to use to mark the way to get into the inlet away from the rough waters. Obviously now there is a lighthouse here, so, but symbolic, but that's where the barrel would have been. So that's the original point to barrel. Crazy, kind of cool to see out there, Georgian Bay. So we're just gonna keep going and see what else we do. You wonder how they come up with names for stuff. It really is a point with a barrel. Point to barrel. Not the most original, but yeah, worked. Anyways guys, let's keep going and see what adventures we can get up to. Alright guys, well we just stopped to fill up our first round of gas, so that will be it for today. So we're going to head up to where we think we're going to spend the night now, try to find a camping spot, and then from there we'll start going out and doing some exploring and fishing and stuff. Nice little marina here, really good price for gas. Both of us filled up for $125 total, which was mind-blowing. So considering, I mean, I've paid $105 just for me once, so really good price here. I will put the name of the marina in somewhere in the video. So, all right, we're heading back out, so let's do it. You can see how much the water is down still. I know I keep bringing it up, but this would be so much funner if the water was up a bit. I'd feel a little bit better about not running into rocks. Alright guys, well we found a little bit of a river here. Not sure how far up we can get, but we're going to give it a try and see what we can find. You know us, we love getting up rivers. So, see what we find. Still making our way up the river. We haven't been shut out yet, but here's our first beaver lodge, which concerns me, which means that there's probably going to be a dam coming up soon. So there's a oh yeah, oh, this isn't going to go well. Okay, let's see what we come up with up here. All right, oh guys, I think we might actually be able to make it out to this lake back here. Yo, see how we go. I got about 5 feet of water under me right now, so the beavers are helping. All right, I can see open water. Oh my goodness, this would be crazy. We have come so far back here. Oh wow. Alright. See you at the entrance. Oh, we made it to the lake. That's incredible. Well, not yet. Oh, no, stay out of the weeds. I haven't sucked anything up yet, so fingers crossed. Oh, wow, look at this. Well, didn't think we'd get here. Oh, look, there's another one. There's another. So that's the third beaver lodge. Oh, another beaver lodge, number 3 or 4, something like that. Ah, look at this. How many Sea-Doos do you think have been back here? I'm going with very few. It's pretty cool. This is nice. Oh, stay in channel. Don't suck up the weeds. Man, I love being out here. Alright guys, let's see what we can find. Got one. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. I got one. Oh, come here, buddy. Okay, there you are. I see you. Hello. Get you. Okay, okay. Easy. Just a little guy. Guys, I thought I had weeds on me the whole time. All I had was this baby little pike. This is even smaller than what he had. How did you even get caught? There we go. Nope, I just got the weeds off. Come here. How did you get caught? There we go. No. Honestly, I don't know if you guys look how small he is. That's a baby. Let you go. Well, sure. I mean, I'll give that a 0.5.